and it's a smart home. So upside down. Anyway, yeah, I got this. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. It's moving vlog. So I'm gonna be moving out of my apartment. Yes, we just posted an apartment tour and we're moving out. Well, I've been living here for a while now and my lease is gonna be expiring next month. So it's time to move out of here. I have different reasons why I'm moving out, but I don't think I'll be sharing that in this video. So I have like a month to move out, so I'm trying to start parking now, like early, because I don't want to get stressed, like have just a week to work with. No, today I'm gonna start by packing the things that I don't use often. So I'm just gonna, you know, start boxing things up. Yeah, let's get the vlog rolling. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And I really want to say thank you guys, like thank you for always watching my videos, you know, hitting the like button and doing all that stuff. It really means a lot to me and I am super grateful. So as you can see, these are the boxes I got from someone who was kind enough to give them to me. So I'm just going to be like putting them back because right now they are flattened and I just need to put them back in their original shapes and then try to work with them. So let's get into it. So I just put them together to see which box I'll be using and which one I will not be using. I'm just going to start moving them one after the other to the room. So each room I'm going to drop a box, like the kitchen is going to have a box and, you know, bathroom, and just do that and then see how to put it together. Hey everyone, it's another day in the moving vlog. I think the last time I vlogged was last weekend. This is another weekend and we're still in the process of moving. Right now I just finished filming a YouTube video which I'm hoping will go up before you watch this one, just like an update and all that stuff, trying to explain myself. Let me know in the comment section if you watched it. Anyway, I'm about going now to Walmart now. I'm trying to get like see, sellotape they are calling it, you know, for those boxes, because the tape that I have currently right now, it's small and I'm scared I might just, you know, carry a carton up and it will just so I don't want stories that touch the heart. So I'm just going to go out and just get another tape that I'm going to be using. Okay, so as usual, let's continue with the vlog. And yeah, guys, I'm done shopping. Home we go. So this is everything I got. When I get home, I'll show you guys what's in there, guys. Yeah. So I finished packing the top. So this is what it is. Duvets, blankets, bed sheets, and all that stuff are in here. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning and I'm ready to head out. This is my OOTD. Good morning, guys. I don't know when last I vlogged. Is it morning or it's afternoon? Actually, it's 12. Anyway, whenever you're watching, good morning, good afternoon. I don't know, it's been a while I picked up the camera to like document this moving process, because to be honest, a lot of things have happened and it's just a lot in between. But anyway, tomorrow is the deal day and trying to do all the wrapping up, you know, all the last minute prep I've been trying consistently, like I said, to pack every week, you know, in small portions to avoid being overwhelmed on the last day. But like I said, I did that, but certain things happened and I couldn't. But yesterday, guys, I spent a good time yesterday calling and transferring all my guys, my battery died, so thank God I have a spare battery, so I'll charge this. Like I was saying before the battery died, yesterday I transferred most of my services like electricity, home insurance, all that stuff. So I just got them squared away yesterday, and today I'm trying to like pay the deposit and all that stuff. I would have done all these things 2 weeks earlier, but the problem was I didn't see the apartment like before yesterday. I just saw it for the first time yesterday. I only saw the model apartment, and it would be foolish for me to go ahead and pay and sign the lease without seeing the actual one I'm going to be occupying, because someone was in the apartment that I'm supposed to move into, but the person has moved out and they're cleaning and doing all that stuff. So I saw it, I liked it, and at least that's what I think, because I might move in there and the story might be different. Yeah, sorry I'm that pessimistic, but yeah, I locked in my lease and yeah, we're good to go. So today, unfortunately, I can't pay my deposit online because they have to, when you put in your account number, they have to like check to see if the account belongs. They have to do some kind of verification apparently, which takes 3 days, which I wasn't aware of. So it's either I pay with a cashier check now or a credit card, and I don't want to pay with a credit card because why? I have the money in my account, and paying with a credit card, you'll be charged some extra fees and, you know, the service fee and all that. I do not want that. So right now I'll just go and see how I can get the cashier's check. So I'll also talk to my apartment, like my current apartment, tell them how I'm moving out tomorrow. Like they're aware, but just to let them know again, and also to book like a trolley or something. You'll see that later. And what else am I supposed to do? Anyway, I already booked a U-Haul. I did that earlier this week, so tomorrow I'll go pick it up in the morning. My friends will be coming to help me, so excited. Hey guys, I just got back home. I was not able to get the cashier's check because my bank, apparently the network or whatever is down, and the branch I went to said they could not do it. They tried to phone another branch, and the branch said they tried to do it too, and it wasn't working. And they phoned another one and then figured out at the end of the day it was a national problem and there's nothing they could do. So they offered to like do a wire transfer or cash. So they said I could ask my apartment manager if they would accept cash or the wire transfer. I called them, there was no response. It was a funny story, but it is a funny story anyway. But the long and short of it is that since they weren't taking the call, I went there, I drove there, and when I got there, and apparently there's an option to use debit as well, and the charges are quite affordable. Like it was just $5 approximately, like $4.95. So long story short, I used the debit card and I got it squared away, did all my paperwork, and everything is good to go, ready to move in tomorrow. I got my parking spot and everything, so kind of like very happy. And then I went to Walmart to do some last minute cleaning supplies. Let me go get what I got. I'm coming. Okay, so I got paper towels because the one I have, why is this thing looking upside down? Anyway, yeah, I got this for my shower, and then I got some microfiber cleaning towels, and I decided to buy a small game. I have one, but I didn't want to buy another big one because I'm moving tomorrow and I don't want anything that'll add more stuff. The one I have, I'm not sure it to be enough for the laundry I want to do, so I just got this one as a backup. Anyway, and yeah, let me get back to business and try to do everything. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Guys, this is midnight, probably to 2 or something, and this is what the apartment looks like right now. Almost there. So yep, still have my work jackets there. I'm just gonna throw it in my personal car, and yeah, it's just it. Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm sure you can hear the echo. I am in the new apartment, and I just want to quickly do an apartment tour before I start moving my stuff in. So let's get right into it. This is my kitchen. This is kitchen. In this apartment I have the double sink. I think I like it. It's a smart home, so